Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Lisa Carter and I'm going to be teaching you how to play I Saw Three Ships Come Sailing In. So this is the beginning version of our Christmas music workshop and I hope you have lots of fun learning it. So first we're going to go ahead and get our hands oriented correctly to the keyboard. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is remind ourselves what the finger numbers are, right? So 5 is pinkies and 1 is thumbs, right? So it says on the diagram up on the top right of the page that your left hand is going to have finger number 5 on middle C. Okay, so this is where your left hand's going to be, and then your right hand's going to have your thumb on the C above that, okay? So it should sound like when you play it, okay? And if you need extra instruction for getting oriented, you can reference Matt Murray's Joy to the World instructional video where it's titled Getting Oriented to the Piano. So now let's look at the beginning of the song where it says, I saw three ships come sailing in. So this has got a lot of half notes and quarter notes, right? And we're in the time signature of 3. So that means there's going to be 3 counts per beat. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And it's kind of got that same rhythm through the entire song, right? Sped up, it's going to sound like this. So that's the only section where the rhythm's not quite the same, is at the very end. Da 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 dum. That's just 3 quarter notes in a row. So let's go back to the beginning and remember that rhythm. So the first note, it says 1, and the stem is pointing down. So that means it's going to be your left hand that plays the first note. So you're going to go G, because that has a little G written on it. And then the next note is C with finger number 1. And then after that we've got finger number 2 on D, and then finger number 3 on E, and so on. G. So be sure to look at the little notes that are written inside the notes, because that can help you a lot. And the rhythm is pretty much the same. So let's do it slowly. Here's the beginning. So 1, 2, 3. 3 ships. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Right? So, because that's left hand, because the stem is pointing down. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Right? Because the dotted half note is worth 3 beats. So that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And then we've got a bunch of notes with the stems pointing down. So that means that it's going to be your left hand that plays this part. So it's then let us all rejoice again on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day. And then the next phrase, then let us all rejoice again on Christmas Day. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? Because the dotted half note's worth 3 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Everything else is just going to have that same rhythm of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you hold down for the first half note, and then the third beat is going to be where you'll play the note. Okay? So if let's go ahead and try playing through the entire thing, okay? So let's start at the beginning, and the first note, remember, is going to be left hand thumb, and then it'll be your right hand thumb. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, and that's the whole thing. You can practice that, and maybe you can even get it to a faster tempo if you want to, where it'll sound more like a dance, or you can keep it at that speed. Either way is fine. So yeah, hope you have fun with that.